I'll just give you guys a quick update on this blue corn that I harvested the other day. You see it didn't do too good. Corn needs a lot of water in the beginning to start going, and in its first stage of growth, it needs a lot of water, and this was lacking a little bit. I know we got the wood chip thing going here, but you know, we just barely started that, and it still needs to go through a couple years before it actually can really do what it's supposed to do 100% of the time. But beautiful colors. It's a nice full blue here. A lot of these blue corns separate themselves and the genetic code gets mixed in, and you know, you get this right here where some of it's a little red, some of it's yellow. You know, you get the rainbow, or whatever you call this, rainbow color, multicolor. So just want to give you a little update on that. You know, I believe that, you know, they say this is from a grass, which I believe because I've seen really many corn stalks, and they grow the little tassel at the top too. Not the ear tassel, but the top. Yeah, the pollen tassel. And so, you know, I believe that they just got that little grass, put some of the sacrifice blood, or used any but animal blood, most likely animal blood, to feed the to give it some fertilizer. And of course they use other products as well, organic products, and of course a lot of water, and it grew out to be what we call now corn. So there you go. We'll have a better harvest next year for this, for sure. We're going to use all this for seed. And this right here is really interesting. This is what I really like right here. This can give you all different types of corn. This is special right here. So until next time, keep gardening, people. See you later.